Welcome back. In this session, we'll talk about taking decisions if and else statements. So let's assume a scenario here. Let's say that we want to write a program, start taking a driving license or not. If she is, then it will print out the to console, and if it is not, it will print out how many years are left until the person can start taking the driving license. So let's just start writing the code here. Let's write constant age equals to some number like 15 years old here, for example, and then we'll write the statement if and else. So this is how our if and else we are going to write a statement. So we'll write line by line, and then we'll write the statement if. So we'll write a scenario here. So if age is less than or equals to 18, so it should execute the statement here. So let's console.log. Okay, and then here we use backtags. Don't forget to use the backtags. So let's write Lohit can start driving, and we can use the emoji symbol. For those who are using Windows, press Windows plus dot, so you'll get this. Choose it and then close it. For those who are using Mac, you can press Command plus Control plus space. Okay, and then let's go write our else statement. So again, open curly brackets, and here we are going to write constant years left, okay, equals to 18 minus age. So, and then we'll call it out to the console.log, and then again use the backtags. Don't forget to use backtags. Lohit is too young to drive, so wait another years left and years. Okay, let's go ahead and save it out, and then we'll reload. See, we have given age 15, so Lohit is too young to drive, so let's wait another 3 years. It is showing. Okay, and if we change our age here to 21 for suppose, and then reload, see, Lohit can start driving because he is above than 18. So condition is passed, so it executes the only if block statement. Okay, if this condition is failed, like is age around 17, okay, so he is not elder than 18 or equals to 18, so he's below 18, right? So 17 in this case, so this else block gets executed. Okay, that is why it is called as controlled structure. Let me give another example on controlled structure. So let's actually create a variable conditionally and not just use console.log. Okay, similar example, let's just take. Let's write constant birth year equals to 1998, some random number you can take, and then we will write if, and here the constraint we are going to set birth year is then or equals to 2000 we'll set. Okay, if these statements get executed, let's go ahead and write let century equals to 20. Okay, and then with that we'll close this and we'll write the else statement. Else we'll write let century equals to 21. Okay, and we'll call out now here console.log century. Okay, so in this case we are declaring the console.log outside the box element of if and if else. So previously you can see we have declared immediately inside this loop box, okay, inside this. So we are calling this console.log at once after writing the statements. So it should get executed, right? So let's go ahead and reload. See, century is not defined. Yes. So let's go ahead and define century. So here we have used 2 times right century. So we cannot use constant. So it gets multiple times called outside. Let's use let century. It will declare null value is like empty value here. So leave it out like that. And then let's go ahead and remove this. So in this case, let's remove here let. Let's remove here let because we have already declared once. See here, we got an output 20. If we change this birth year to 2021 and then we saved, see here we got 21 because century 21. So we can set it up like this. Okay. This is another easy way of example. So this is how the if else statement works. Okay. If any variable declares inside of if and else is a code block. And that's it for this session. Uh, so this is how it is going to work if else statements. So let's move on to the next video.